And welcome back to the third part of this tutorial. I'm going to exit out and let's take care of the other following components: updates, delete, and search. Okay, so exit out, come back. Now let's start with update record. So I'm going to copy everything in here and just paste that right underneath here and change the name. Update underscore record. Yeah. All right, the only thing I'm going to change here now would be this query. So this is going to be update. So let's get rid of this. So we say update learner and set as follows. We say set surname. Let's say maybe first name, surname, or whatever. So set surname, first name. Let's set the surname and get rid of this. Come back to that later on. Set first name as equals the pound sign. No, the percent is there. And I will repeat the same thing for the others. Comma, copy, surname is the same, address the same, and email exactly the same. That is it all taken care of. Then we then say where the ID. Okay, so we now let's grab all of this, get rid of that. Just say where the student ID is equals that. Okay, so we're using the student ID as our reference, and this remains the same. And underneath here, the query and okay, cursor, execute that, commence, close, and now the message here: data successfully updated. Data successfully updated. Then I call reload. The reload that is there. Okay, and here this message box error remains the same. So that is update. So let's see. That is fine. Let me run it and see what's gonna happen. Run. Oh, I haven't called the update yet, so it's not gonna make sense. So update, I'm gonna copy that and I need to call that on the button. Updates, there we go. So comma command equals update. That's the update function record called. Okay, that is update record taken care of. But let's try out this update record. So let's run it. Click on run, and I'm going to enter some data in here, and the name happens to be very more 52 Warlock Road, and here email add. There. If I click on add, there we go. We have every details there. Okay. Oh, we're missing out this. I need to get that sorted as well. All right. Let's say we want to update the address here. See here? Let's change that to war rest. Okay. So if I click on update, that is meant to be displayed here, but it's not displayed. But let me check my database. So we need to call the upload inside update. So let's come in here and refresh it. Let's see the address here. Look, oh, it's not. Okay, let's see. What did I do wrong? It's not reset and the name is now called in here. So let's come back in here, exit out. Well, it all looks good here. I can't see any error. So let me go back to my database since I'm getting zeros in there. Let's look at the structure of my database. This learner database, click on that. Let's see structure. Oh my god, look at that. Surname. I left it as integer mistakenly. So let's click on change. That should have been voucher. Save that now. Hopefully all that error should be taken care of. So, alright. That is the error fixed. Hopefully. Now let me see my database again. So I should be able to get things working now. Let's go back in here, run the program one more time. Run. And I'm going to enter some values in here. So here the name is going to be Kingsley. Out end. John Lane. An address, email of Kingsley. Let's see, email. Okay, now I want to click on that. Yep, there we go. Look at that. It's back. Okay, well, these errors here, we will use that for update. So when we select this, we should be able to update. So, okay, that's fine. All right, so we need to take care of this. There's nothing here to update. Okay, so we need one, two, exit out. Let's come down here. Let's take care of delete. In the case of delete, I'm just going to copy everything here as well. And paste. Just change the name of the function to delete record. There. Come right down here. We need to change the SQL query to delete. Delete from learners where the email. Let's say where email. Get rid of all of these. Say use email where email equals seconds. Alright, so the value in this case is going to be that of the email, so I can delete all of these just using the email. Now, That is fine. We leave this. We leave that as well. What about, let's say, record successfully deleted? Record successfully deleted. In that case, let's grab hold of the reset field. Once the record is deleted, we'll reset it. Reset. And we'll call the upload data. Okay. That is fine. So I might as well call the reset here as well. The add. Just call reset here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Delete is taken care of. Now let's call this delete function here. Come right down here, go to the buttons and let's look for delete. So you just say command equals delete. Alright. So what is left for me now is just a search. Reset is done. This is done. Save. Okay, let's take care of this search function as well. So I'm going to grab all of this again. I just write underneath here. That will be for the search. Okay, I will call that search. Right, using the connector. Okay, that is fine. And here, let's just use SQL statement in here. Now I'm going to say select all from learner, where the learner ID, where where let's say student ID, not learner ID, student ID. I have a field called student ID, where student ID is, or the first name. Let's use an or here, or first name. Copy this and I can reuse it. First name equals that, or the surname equals that, or let's go for address. Let's get rid of all of these, and that will be for address. Or mobile email. Okay. Correct this, is that will be an error. Okay, that should take care of my, yeah. And here I'm just going to change it to search. I'll drop that and just paste it. Search. Search and comma. That to be all 6. So say times 6. There. Okay. Now execute remain the same. Okay, what about the rows? Execute is the same. Let's just come down here and change the rows. Now just close it. So rows. that is equals fetch also dot fetch. All right. Now, okay, that is, we now close it, and I want to use the for loop. Okay, for rows in trees, was the session from the trees. Okay, I think I do have that here. Back there. Yeah, it's in updates for update data. Okay, now we'll upload that. Now back to search. So I'm gonna get rid of all of this here. Yeah, get rid of this. I can always add it if I want to undo that. I need the message box. Okay, now for rules. For rules in tree dots, yeah, delete any rows and insert as follows. Yeah, okay. Now underneath here, I'm just gonna say if not rows, then I just want the message box. If not rows, message box. Let's say search not found or not successful or no record found, something like that. No record found. Hey, that's my error message in there. Well, just telling us no records found. This is the error message. Okay then, let's try this out. So if I run it, oh no, I need to actually upload the data. Yes, yeah, I need to get it uploaded. So come in here and just call the data, maybe call it underneath here. Really, I want the database load. Okay, that's fine. Okay, upload data. So the data on the database should be uploaded in there. So let's run it now one more time. Run there. Look at that. So let's search. I want to search for whatever number in there. So let's say 5, 6, 4, 1, 2. So it's in the wrong place. Okay. It's telling me to search for. So let's come in here. Let's say 5, 6, 4, 1, 2 there. Search. There we go. Look at it. Okay. There. All right. So that's fine. That's working. Now, I now need one thing. See, when I click on this tree view, I want all of the data displayed here. So let's take care of that. Then we can call it the end of this tutorial. So right underneath here, let's do that. Let's come into here. There we go. Okay. Right up here, let's do this. Just above this widget here. I'm going to create a function, and this function I'm going to call it on tree view. Yeah, on tree view. select using an event. Then on tree we do as follows. So let's say select item equals tree dot selection. That should be a dot selection, and that is using an if statement. If selected item or selected item equals the following. Let's go for item underscore value. That is equals tree dot item, and let's say selected item 0 comma value, close that, and that is going to be the names of all of the components. So let's do one thing. Instead of me typing it, I'm just going to grab all of this and change it around. Come right underneath here and paste. Those are the items that I'm referring to. So it's going to, now we need to get this indented properly. Control, there we go. Now, ID. Student ID deletes, but we then need to insert data into the student ID. Copy that, paste, and I'm going to say dot insert 0 comma item underscore value. No, underscore values, and that is the first one there. The same thing for the others. So I'm going to copy this, copy insert, and just paste it here. This is taken care of. Now let's take care of ID is taken care of. No, I think the arrangement is wrong. Delete that. ID is taken care of. Now let's take care of this. Surname. There we go. Surname. First name, surname next. Address. Insert. Mobile. Insert. Do that again. Copy. Insert. Then email. And insert. Then we don't need that to search. There we go. So this is going to be 0. The first one is 0. Okay, and the next one will be 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There. That is for the search. Now, we now need to get it bind to the tree view. So I'm going to go right underneath here. Okay, I just get it bind. So in there, I'm just going to say 3 dots, bind, opening brackets, and that is going to be, let's go back in here. Let's say less than three view select, three view selected, select, comma, on three select, on three select, copy that, and paste it there. I think I am officially done. Okay, let's run it. Oh, I think this is wrong. This is supposed to be on. Yeah, and that means this is wrong as well. On. Okay. Okay, I'm going to run it just to see how that is going to work. Let's click on run. Okay, and decision time. Let's see. Here we go. Let's see. Every. Let's change this now. Let's go to every month, right? And let's click on update. There we go. Right, look at that. Now let's see the database itself. I'm going to click on that and let's refresh. There we go. Look at that. Every more. That's fine. And now let's update Kemi Adeola. Yeah, update as well. And let's update Ayo Brown. There we go. Updates. There, guys. Look at that. We can reset. But before then, let me check my database and refresh it all. Check that out, guys. Now back in here, let's search for any of those. It's a 76581. Search. There we go. Look at that. And let's click on reset. Nice. Everything is working, guys. So with that, I am going to call it the end of this lovely tutorial, and I suppose you guys enjoy it. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of this channel. Okay, so have a good look at the lines of codes one more time. There. And there we go again. Alright, so I'm going to say bye for now. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of this channel. That would be very helpful if you guys join. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.